This is my version of making pain perdu French toast. This decadent dessert is a must try. I am going to show you every step how to make it so you can achieve it at home every time successfully. Pain perdu means in English the lost bread basically. In France, this dessert is very famous. You can find it everywhere. They always use a sort of baguette bread. Well, today I am going to make my own version while using a brioche bread. When we talk about French toast, the essential is the bread. Everything is about the bread. I have seen a lot of recipe online, and most of the people always telling you have to get this bread, or whatever bread it is. Anyways, I am sure if you make your own bread, this is where all the magic happens. I will post how to make the brioche bread at the end of this video. Let's start by making the pain perdu. So, at first, we're gonna add the egg yolk, a bit of cinnamon, a bit of nutmeg, some vanilla bean, vanilla extract, cream full fat, milk as well full fat, sugarcane, and lemon zest. We're gonna mix the entire combination, then we're gonna leave it on the side for around 10 to 15 minutes so everything gets well incorporated. Now, the second step, we are gonna soak the bread for 3 minutes in the entire mixture. Beautiful people, I know you're thinking there's a lot of products and sometimes you cannot really buy all of those items. But beautiful people, I am gonna tell you, if you wanna make great dishes and if you're really looking to achieve a dish that is outstanding, you have to add good product to have wonderful desserts. There's no other way. This is it. So in a pan on high heat, we're gonna add the butter. We're gonna wait until the butter melts. We want it to be a bit smoky. Once we add the brioche bread to the pan, we want to see the corners a bit bubbly and we want to listen to this noise. And this is exactly what we're looking for. YouTubers, if you want to learn a lot of interesting, amazing desserts, I will place the playlist link in the card over there. You have to check it out. And we're gonna leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. While you're cooking the brioche bread, be patient. It is gonna be moist and soft from the inside and just a little bit crispy from the outside. Then again, we're gonna flip it to the other side. Lovely people, as well, I have an amazing recipe. I have made it also using brioche bread. It is called Ali. It is outstanding. As well, I made it with a twist. If you wanna check it out, you will find it in the tab over there. Now, I'm gonna teach you my version how to plate this beautiful, amazing pain perdu. On the plate, we're gonna place the brioche bread, both of them on the top. Then we're gonna spread some caramel on the top. We're gonna add a bit of powdered sugar. Then I'm gonna add as well a lot of sort of mixed berries. And I'm gonna finalize it with some mint. I really wish you can try this dish. Lovely people, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. We'll see you very soon with a new recipe. And again, I am gonna post the brioche bread very soon. We'll see you very soon and have a beautiful day. Ciao!